Now I was looking for a power bank and I came across Duracell. These guys are very well known when it comes to batteries, but I never knew they will do power banks. Their highest capacity they have got is 10,050 mAh, in which on a full power bank battery it can fully charge the iPhone 7 5 times. One of the main reasons why I bought this was because of the top safety features it carries, so whenever you're on the go you know this power bank will not let you down. Now other cheap power banks online claim to do this and that, and I wasn't sure how true where their battery capacity was, so I'd rather go with a reliable company when it comes to batteries. Now Duracell also sells a lower capacity power bank of 3350 mAh, which looks so cute, just like a AAA battery size. Great for emergencies when you need that extra power in your device. The one above it comes in at 6700 mAh. Now I purchased the 10,050 mAh because when I'm traveling and I'm out of power, I know I can rely on this throughout the whole day. Now this power bank will roughly cost you about £25. Inside the packaging you will get an instruction manual and a USB cable to charge the power bank. And this comes with a 3 years warranty. In is to charge the power bank and the 2 app ports for your devices. And yes, it can charge 2 devices at the same time, including while charging the power bank. Click on the button and it will show you the battery indicator. Don't worry, it's a solid light. The flickering you can see is to do with the camera's frame rate. And you don't have to worry if you haven't switched off the power bank, because this carries an auto on and off feature. Now I carried out a quick test on how long it takes to charge a smartphone. I left it for about 5 minutes and I got an extra 4% charge, so it's near 1% per minute. It was actually charging slightly faster on my S9 Plus. All this depends upon your smartphone background apps you're running. And this only weighs about 200 grams. So overall guys, I'm happy with the Duracell power bank. It's definitely going with me when I'm on the go. Take care guys, peace.